Hello, my name's Adam from IntoAV Limited. We're the UK distributor of Grandview projection screens. In this video, I'll be showing you the Cyber Series home theatre electric screen. So firstly, the material. Now the material is the most important aspect of any projection screen. It's what gives you your uniformly flat projection surface as well as the correct amount of gain. Now the gain is the reflectivity of the material, how much light is coming off the projector, bouncing off the material and going into the room. If the gain is too high, then the ambient light levels in the room go up too much and you lose a lot of contrast ratio, which is the enemy of a decent home theatre picture. So this has a low gain of 1.1. The material is also designed to stay nice and flat throughout its surface, and that's because it's made up of 3 layers. You've got a black vinyl backing, so you can put the screen in front of a window without any light coming through. Then there's the centre layer, which is a glass fibre net, which is a mesh which keeps it nice and rigid throughout its surface and fixes the 2 outer layers together. Then there's the surface treated material, which gives you the correct gain and the optimum colour balance. Next, the electronics. The electronics is all built into the left-hand end cap here, which is quite unusual. Normally you just have a 4-core cable coming out of the casing, you wire that to a standard up and down switch, or you have to buy a separate interface box, which is infrared or 12-volt trigger depending on what you want. This is all built in. You've got a mini mono jack there for the 12-volt trigger, so if you run a 2-core cable from your projector to that socket, when the projector comes on the screen will come down, when the projector turns off the screen will go back up. It's a very popular way of wiring the projection screen. There's also an RS232 socket for sophisticated remote control systems. There's an IR window at the front there which will work with the included IR remote control. Now if you're hiding the screen behind a pelmet or building it inside a cabinet, you're going to be blocking the IR. That's not a problem. It comes with a little plug-in external IR there, so you can plug it into the side of the case and put the infrared receiver at the front or on the ceiling of the pelmet or cabinet, and therefore you won't block the IR anymore. Also, the casing is a nice design. It's got a nice curved aluminium glazed finish. It's got a white anodizing on it, and it's quite tough. It won't scratch and it'll last a long time without fading. Inside the casing is an aluminium roller which is very heavy duty. It needs to be because the weight of the material on the bar can bend cheaper and thinner rollers, which causes diagonal creasing on the material. This roller is very heavy and strong and it stays perfectly straight across its length, adding to the overall flatness of the projection surface. Mounting the screen is really easy. You've got 2 L-shaped brackets that can fit anywhere along the length of the casing. So if, for example, you're mounting it to the ceiling and your joists are running from front to back, which is normally a bit of an issue, no problem. Mount the brackets onto the joists, clip the casing into the brackets and just slide the casing from left to right to centre it up to the room. You can then screw these bolts into the base of the brackets and that lifts the whole screen onto the underside of the L bracket, and you can't lift it off anymore and it's all secure. If you need more information, go to cyberscreens.co.uk or you can email me, adam@cyberscreens.co.uk, or my colleague Carl with a C, C-A-R-L, @cyberscreens.co.uk. Hope this was helpful. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.